which attitude? Shut up, bitch.
I want to see what's in here. Hi. How are you?
I'm great.
Where are you off to? Nowhere. Okay, good.
I don't know yet.
Okay, bag देखी है. Nice लगे है.
Did you know that Shein order that I put for the lashes and
Yeah.
thingy, it says by the 19th.
Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's 11th of November and it's 12:03 p.m. and I woke up a bit late because I picked up Edwin from work at 2 a.m. and then I went back to sleep and I woke up around 11 or 10:30. If you watched my last vlog, you know what I'm talking about. I told hubby to pick up my order from Nutrition Warehouse and also Chemist Warehouse. So today I will be trying my new protein shake, which is same as the one I am drinking, but I got in a different flavor, I think. So I'm going to try that. Last flavor I got was cappuccino one, which I didn't like that much. It's good, but it's not for me. I don't like it, but we managed to finish that. The other one I tried was a chocolate flavor, which is really good. So this time I'm trying something else so that I can know which flavor is the best. And also I got some other things for hubby and also some things from Chemist Warehouse. I literally forgot what I got, but I'm going to share in this video. Kaunsi banata?
Not chocolate drink.
Okay. Try karo. Good.
Yeah.
My son ordered Hungry Jack, so he got these glasses. There must be a deal going on, but I've got no idea because he ordered, so I thought of sharing it with you all. I didn't open it, but I just wanted to open it with you all. Okay, this is the first one, and like literally it's such a hard big glass, which I love it. It's cute. Hey, nice. I love the color. It goes so well with my decoration. Also, Edwin ordered something. I've got no idea what this is, but when he'll wake up, he will open. Hello. Mr. Husband is here. Okay, so it's glass bed. Okay, so both my orders are here. And first I'm going to share what I got from Chemist Warehouse. So this is just a click and collect order. And I literally forgot what I got, but let's quickly see. First thing I can see is this big bottle of CeraVe moisturizing lotion. Literally, I needed this one for my vanity here, and I'm going to be using it on my face. It's a moisturizing lotion for dry to very dry skin. Aveeno Skin Relief Moisture Repair Cream. Intense moisture relieves extra dry plus itchy sensitive skin. So I think I'm gonna put this in kids bathroom. I never tried this one. Smooth generously over body, so you can apply to all over your body and face too. So deeply moisturizes and helps restore and maintain skin moisture barrier. Okay, you got it. Okay, मैं पीछे रख दूँ लेके जाके. This side, Liza. मैं देखो एक और है. Okay, Mehzabin intense moisturizing cream, extra hydration for extra dry, itchy, and sensitive skin. So I'm going to put this in my bathroom. We used this already once, and like literally it lasts really long, and it has 450 grams of product, and this one has 311 grams of product. So yeah, I literally needed these for the bathrooms. And the next product I got is this vitamin C chewable tablets. This is by Swiss, and we are using it since very long. And the next product I got is this hair color, which oh, this is different. Okay, they have changed the model's picture. So this is Napoli Black, which I love it, by L'Oreal. It used to be this girl's picture, but still, like, I love it. It's such a gorgeous black color. And what you got that? Okay, so moving on, I got this vitamin D, fast acting vitamin D tablet, and this is really good, by Swiss. And last product I got is my favorite. This wasn't available, but finally I found this one, Dose & Co Marine Collagen. So I mixed this in my protein powder. Literally I ran out, and finally I got it. Really good product. Okay, so now I'm going to share what I got from my favorite Nutrition Warehouse. Like literally I've got, I think, 2 products, and I got 2 gifts from them. So first thing I got for hubby is this Optimum Nutrition Micronized creatine powder. Okay, so this is unflavored for muscle building support. Okay, so I got the big one, 1.2 kg one, so it will last really long. And hubby told me to get this one, that's why I got this one, but he never tried this one, so this is the first time I think he's going to drink. And the next product, like literally my protein powder is here. So this is chocolate peanut butter. Oh my gosh, chocolate peanut butter flavor one. Like literally this is gold standard whey by Optimum. Okay, best one. This is the best. And I'm going to try this and then let you all know if I like it or not. And I got 2 gifts from them. Like, it's just so good when you buy from Nutrition Warehouse, you always get a gift. This time I got 2 gifts. I bought 2 products, got 2 gifts. So first thing is this towel. It's just Built for Life gym towel. black one, and I got one opened one somewhere. ईशा वहाँ देखो ओपन लाया उठा के कम वहाँ ऊपर देखो वाह उसके ऊपर जा ओपन लाया उठा के कम. It's the same one. And the next one is another one packed so nicely, and let's see. Okay, let's see this one first, the open one. So this one I got last time. It looks like this. Okay, so it's this big, and let's open this one. This one is so soft. Oh, I love this one. Nice. Whenever you get a black stuff, like always white thing on top. Gosh, okay, so something is written here. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is what it is written, and the quality is really good. It's thick, so it's good for this kind of weather. So yeah, it's really hot today, not as hot as yesterday, but it's quite hot. And yeah, this is it, and I'm going to do some workout, and I've got no idea what else I'm going to share in this video, but I literally wanted to share all these things which I am so excited to try. My angry bed बैठा है देखो, angry bed बैठा है. So Isha, which one you want for your bathroom from these two? I tried this one, it's good, but
I don't care because I wasn't using them because I have my own.
Oh, okay, which one you are using?
From Kmart.
Is it good?
Yeah.
The Kmart one?
Yeah.
Which brand it is?
Just Kmart.
Oh, that wasn't expensive, no?
It's only $8.
Which one is it? Can you show? चलो कहीं दिखा दो जल्दी
I'm not walking that far.
Okay, fine, but नहीं लाइक मांगे तुम लोग के दिखावे देखो लड़की खराब लड़की हमारे है ये नहीं मांगे ला यूज करे but I think this one will be good ना for itchy sensitive skin ना ईशा fragrance नहीं है इसमें fragrance free है so I think एडविन के पास भी तो हमें जना है बनाऊं ना
Not for the body.
नहीं बॉडी वाला तो है
Yes.
बॉडी वाला तो एक बाथरूम में है उसके रेडविन के
Can I open this?
You want to try? Okay, देख लो ओपन करके
Yeah.
Doesn't smell that bad. पकड़ा
So ugly.
The smell is really light and like look it's really good. I like it like actually I applied oil before so it doesn't matter but it's okay. I like it. It's not greasy at all. Okay, लाओ यहीं पर रखी ना जो मांगी तो लेके जाइए someone wants. I don't know, I just saw so I got it. I thought I'll just keep it in the bathroom but this one is really good. I love it. I want to see what's in here plus mouse pad.
But why are you opening it?
Yeah, I told him to. Ooh, what is it?
It was
What's
so
that?
easy.
This is the thing, na?
Yeah, this thing.
But is it powered thing?
No? Just a normal mouse pad.
Oh,
So it's made out of glass.
Yeah.
Was it?
wow. Wall hack.
What is this thing then? No, this one.
No idea.
Oh, it's a wipe.
Oh,
Ooh.
And then stickers there. Rolex.
कितना मिला एडविन?
No, nice.
Shut up, tell me.
Like 100.
Shit.
$200 for that.
$200 for this?
Let's
You
see.
fucking
They were
insane.
selling for $22.
No, this one's better.
I don't know. I just saw. I was searching this one. That's
So
what I
this is from this website, na? Wall hack.
Yes.
Oh, okay. But it's quite good quality भी तो है. Wow. हम उसमें रखाने डेस्क में जनाबे ने खिड़की रखाने.
185.
185.
Oh, okay.
There's a white version and a black version.
तो white लगाने लिया.
Because it gets dirty quickly.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness, dude.
Do you know what mom said?
What? She said I have to do the dishes and then she'll order food.
I'm filming you.
No, I didn't mean that. That was just a joke, guys. That was such a joke. Haha. Oh, this is so annoying.
Oh, you got her finally. Cutie, cutie. So cute note. Oh. ये छोड़ो इसके ऊपर.
Can you put the straw?
Alyssa, I love your t-shirt.
Me too. I saw that shirt, but it was.
It's on Shein.
That,
Oh, not
I
अच्छा लगे like back part में जब star बना है.
I saw
Love the
that, but the
style.
color was white.
And the hair suits you so well. You should keep your hair like that, no? Like it in the front bangs too. Cute, cute. Okay, do it then order food and eat. हम तो नहीं बनाए कोई चीज because I think we already have some food in the fridge.
She's giving me so much attitude. Shut up, bitch.
सब चीज है?
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy.
The lid open. No. Oh no, very not good, not good.
It is good?
Yes,
No?
yes.